Hello everyone. In this video, we will demonstrate the use of Introspect's Conformance Test Suite, or CTS application, which can be used to automatically generate impaired signals for receiver stress die testing. In this example, we will generate stress dies for conformance with the C-PHY specification. So our CTS script is very easy to use. All you have to do is connect the SV5C generator to the scope and hit run, as you can see here on the screen. And in the beginning, you see a series of pop-up dialogues that prompt the user to set up the scope. That's what we're seeing here. So in this case, we're using the C-PHY signal, which has 3 wires. So we need to enable a number of custom settings for the eye measurement. So that's what we do here. We select the C-PHY combined C-PHY waveform, as you can see. And the first part, we have these settings in place. And also we need to set up the things like the IP address for the scope and the desired height and width in the software. So once that is all done, as you can see here, we're running the script. The logs are indicating what is going on. And as you can see on the screen now, what is happening is that the script and the software is instructing the SV5C generator to mimic signal degradation effects and close the eye using things like jitter, DCD, duty cycle distortion, and by changing the amplitude, by injecting ISI, which is intersymbol interference. So all these factors are used to close the eye and get as close as possible we can to the required settings. So what you can see here on the screen is that this is really an iterative process. The script is trying a different combination of these parameters and then measuring the eye. And then if the eye is not the desired width and height, then the software tries a different set of parameters. And these parameters are constantly varied until the optimal combination is achieved, which gives us the desired width and height. So in the case for C-PHY conformance testing, we need an eye of width of 0.5 UI and a height of 80 millivolts. And that's what this script is aiming for, and it should be able to generate this. Okay, so now the script is complete. The logs print the parameters that were used to achieve this width and height, and this can now be used for receiver stress die testing. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, please visit introspect.ca or send us an email at info@introspect.ca.